Hi everyone, this is Jennifer and I'm back today with a new layout for the Hip Kit Club Design team featuring the June 2022 kits and more specifically the sample stories products from the Let's Go collection. To start, I will make a round in ink on watercolor paper. For this, I use the Solomon Crosset Nouveau Shimmer powder included in the color kit that I mix with a little water and apply it with the help of a piece of acetate for more precision. I had previously drawn a circle of about 6.3 inches in diameter. I dry everything and I add a little darker ink, so less diluted with water, to have nuances. The color is really superb with a golden effect, just sublime. And I add ink splashes to finish this background. When everything is dry, I continue with the decoration. So I selected several embellishments in green, orange and yellow tones, only in the sample stories products of the kits. I placed the photo in the center of my page. I superimposed the same two photos because I had printed it twice without doing it on purpose, and then it's nice to do that sometimes. I then place several tags and tickets to the left of the photos in an arc. I add 3 more tickets that I wedge between the two photos, and I add on top the die cut adventure. Then on the other side of the photos, I place the title using the stickers alphabets from the stickers book. So I cut this alphabet into pennants. I really like to do that with this kind of alphabet. When everything is in place, I complete this title with the word Menorca that I create with the other orange sticker alphabet from the stickers book, and I place it underneath in an arc too. I continue and I add several decorative brads here and there, as well as the word Traveler puffy stickers below the word Menorca, and I place small flowers and hearts on the photo. I also sewed the title with gold thread to give this banner effect to my title, and I took off the ends of the letters for a movement effect. So I finished this layout with splashes of gesso diluted with a little water to harmonize everything, and then splashes of black paint diluted with a little water to bring contrast. And here is the result a little closer. I hope this layout has inspired you today. I love the turn that this layout has taken, and I really like this accumulation of tickets and tags, and especially I love my banner. Thanks for stopping by and watching. I wish you a great creative day. See you soon.